Hi everyone, my name is Timeea and my presentation today focuses on written proposals. My presentation will cover the meaning and uses for proposals, the different kinds of proposals, the main elements of each kind of proposal, and good and bad examples of proposals. So let's start with defining what a proposal actually is. Proposals provide services to assess, develop, and implement plans. They are also meant to suggest ways to solve the problem at hand. Proposals are usually used in business settings and are sent from an employee to a higher-up executive, which is known as an internal proposal, or they can be sent from a producer to a customer, which is considered as an external proposal. The external and internal proposals can be further categorized into informal and formal proposals. Informal proposals are usually only several pages long, written in a memo format, and proposals are also written using a direct approach. The main elements in an informal report include an introduction, which talks about your qualifications for the job and briefly states the purpose of the proposal. The background, which provides detail about the problem you aim to solve. It also shows the client that you understand their needs and what they can benefit from your idea. The proposal method and schedule section talk about the details of your proposal and describe your plan to achieve the end goal. Costs and budget section presents the overall budget for the task and the overall cost of everything. The staffing and qualifications section shows the client that you and everyone else on your team is fully qualified and know how to execute the job well. The benefit section lets the client know the positive outcomes and how they would benefit from supporting your project. The request for authorization section requests authorization from the customer to proceed with plans and is usually discussed after the client received the proposal. Formal proposals are tens if not hundreds of pages long. They are written by multiple people, and similarly to informal reports, they are written through a direct approach. The layout for formal proposals is as follows. They start with a cover letter which talks about the main components and benefits as well as the purpose of the proposal. It is then followed by the executive summary, which is intended to be used only when the proposal is given to decision makers to showcase the highlights in a less technical language. The title page of the proposal is then included, which is followed by a table of contents that includes all the main headings. A list of tables and illustrations is also added for easy access to tables, figures, and illustrations. And the rest of the proposal is the same as in an informal report, although it includes a schedule, appendix, and references at the end. Some less effective examples of proposals include brochures and price lists, because they require the least amount of work from the producer and they give the least amount of information to the customers. A good example of a proposal would include using persuasive language that communicates strength, communication, and credibility, as well as being compliant, responsive, helpful, fully customized to the customer, and they would be creative and show insight. So to end my presentation, here's a question. Have you ever had to write a proposal, and if so, does it fit into the formal or informal category? And here are my references. Thank you for watching.